Meaning of Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog is a well-known character from the Muppets franchise created by Jim Henson. Kermit is a frog who often serves as the lead protagonist in many of the stories, TV shows, and movies featuring the Muppets. The name Kermit was given to the character by Henson as a combination of the names of his childhood friend Kermit Scott and a commonly used name at the time, Kermit Roosevelt, son of U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt. The character has become an iconic figure in popular culture and is known for his distinctive voice and songs like Rainbow Connection.